Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you have any of the following two codes, guys, and most likely your engine light may be even on, or in some cases may not be, guys. One of the code is P0562 or code P0563. Stay with us and we'll explain, guys, most likely what causes these codes and how to fix it. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. This is because we did an engine replacement, and in addition, guys, we made about 100 mechanical videos how to take pretty much anything apart on that engine and how to replace almost every component on it. In addition, we'll make more than 100 videos about diagnostic engine codes and anything like that, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, even the scanner that we use here at the shop, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, guys. You can see where we get everything from. So specifically, this is a 2.4 Multiair engine out of a 2017 Jeep, guys. If you have the Jeep Compass, the only difference will be your intake air duct right here will be a little bit shorter. Usually you will have a black engine cover. Ours is white. We painted it, guys. And if you have a Compass, the cover will be cut like that, but doesn't matter. I mean, it's the same engine. Those are the only two differences on that engine. Let me explain a little bit about the computer, guys. Many of you ask me constantly what scanner you prefer and you recommend, guys. So I want to share our experience with you. This is, guys, right here, Maxicom. I'll have the link in the description of the video below. It works on all American cars. Check it out. European cars as well, guys. You can even work on Maserati, Bentley, Lamborghini. It works on Asian vehicles, guys, as well. Almost all of them as well, guys. Practically, this scanner works on any car you can think of here in the US. In addition, guys, you can access every computer system in your car. You can read and delete codes and see live data, which makes diagnosing problems really easy. Now, what causes any of these two codes? One of them indicates low battery voltage, one indicates high battery voltage. This, guys, is caused by alternator, guys. 9 out of 10 times it's a bad alternator that causes that, and there is a special thing inside the alternator. It's called a voltage regulator that can go bad, guys. In some cases it can go to where it's outputting, instead of 14 to 15 volts, it's outputting, let's say, 18 volts. That will be detected by the system, and you will have a high voltage code, guys, stored in your computer. In most cases you can rebuild alternators. In my opinion, it's not worth it. Okay, just go ahead and replace it, guys. So now we will show you, guys, next scene. Okay, you're going to see the engine when we got it out. Okay, this is your alternator right here. You can see with the engine out, so you can see everything, guys, put together, where it is, okay, and what it looks like. But 9 out of 10 times you have to replace the alternator. Now, if you have any more questions, let us know, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.